Hello YouTube, this is just an amateur video. Forgive me if it looks kind of choppy and everything. It's just an amateur video. I'm attempting to clean my barn slash utility shed shingles. I've done some cleaning with some chemicals like bleach and OxyClean and different things, and nothing seemed to really work real well to get the stains off the roof right there. The roof is not that old, it looks weathered because it sits underneath some trees. I got a big oak tree that grows around it just to kind of give it some shade. You know, if you're in and out of it, it's kind of hot, you know. So actually, the only thing that seemed to work pretty good is basically this stuff called Purple Power. I've read some reviews. They use it to clean auto engines, and I use it to clean my lawnmower decks and stuff like that, to keep the grass clippings off of it and just keep it from, you know, just clean up the equipment before you store them away. And I know it's kind of crazy, but I've always been told to do that. Just kind of keep your tools picked up and cleaned up. Anyway, I'm going to attempt to kind of spray it down fully concentrated. I'm not going to dilute it down at all. If you see it, the roof now, that little bright spot to your right there. See if I can zoom in on it. Right there is just what I did for a sample, just to see how it would work, and it seemed to do it better than the other products. Other products did clean it, but not as bright like the original shingles were when they put on there. I was told it wouldn't hurt the integrity of the roof. It's just a, you know, basically it's just a cleaner and degreaser. So I'm going to spray it down and see what it looks like afterwards. If this does pretty good, I'm probably going to do the roof of my house. It's basically the same type of architectural shingles, and the shade and everything's about the same. I also have a well house I'm probably going to clean up as well. It's the shingles on it. But in the process, we'll see how it goes. I'm going to stop it for now, and we'll take a before and after shot. All right, thank you. Okay YouTube, this is just a follow-up video of me cleaning the shingles with Purple Power. Generally it's used as a degreaser to clean, you know, I guess your motor on your vehicle or any other stuff that may have grease or runoff on it. I use it, like I said, to clean my lawnmowers and stuff like that, to clean the motor off in the deck and what have you, and also actually clean the motor on my tractor, but didn't have anything else to really clean the shingles. You can see the very tip of the roof there is still stained real bad. I just want to do a section and show you all the results I had right there, and probably post another short video on how it looks after I do the whole barn slash utility shed. But anyway, I'd like for y'all to comment if y'all know of any other products on the market that's pretty good. Like I said, I tried bleach, and I also tried OxyClean. Did want to get something too abrasive, but that's full strength as far as cleaning the shingles. I recommend either a ratio of 4-to-1 or 3-to-1. Probably works just as well. It took a lot to kind of wash the shingles off. It suds up pretty quick, and applying it didn't take as long, but just getting it washed down real good. It seemed like it took forever and a day to kind of wash the shingles off just with a simple hose, because you don't want to put too much pressure on the shingles to compromise on the, you know, the integrity of the shingles. So I think I'm going to try to clean the rest of it like on a 3-to-1 ratio. Is you know, maybe on the other side it doesn't look as bad, as it's not as weathered. I may do maybe a 1-to-4 ratio as far as mixing it, but I think it done an excellent job. It just took a while for the shingles to dry. It actually cleaned up the siding a bit over here too. So overall, it's a good product to use. I don't know how it would work around plants. I don't have that many shrubs except around the front of the house, so and that doesn't look too bad. So I'm going to cover those up before I apply it. But other than that, just feel free to comment, and I always ask you to keep your comments clean, you know, as far as no vulgarity or anything like that. I do appreciate everybody that can share their experience with any other things they used in the past. And y'all have a blessed day. Bye.